Hey everyone, Varun here once again from Language Academy, and I've got Kanwa with me who has recently smashed his PT exam. Overall 90, speaking 90, reading 90, listening 87 and writing 87 as well. 9 bands in each module. Congratulations man, a very great achievement. This is his first attempt after the classes and that is a great score, 90 overall, very rare. What is the secret recipe behind this success? What do you think, Kanwa? What was the difference this time as compared to your previous attempts? Because you have taken attempts once or twice before as well, and you were just missing out by 1 or 2 points in one or the other section. Especially in reading, you were getting 75, 74, and this time from 75 straight away to 90s. What do you think? What was the secret, or what thing which was the biggest difference this time as compared to your previous attempts?
So first of all, it is very important to understand the marking scheme. So if you understand which question gets how many marks to you, so that is very important. Some questions are relatively less marked. So if they are not very valuable, you should not spend time on them. So that's what the key was for me. So if I give you an example, particularly if multiple choice, multiple answers, right? They are not very valuable in the exam.
That's right.
But then they are hard to grab because you have to have multiple answers, right? So for me, I just skimmed them up, chose one answer, and then moved on to other questions. So that was the key for me.
That's right, guys. It's very, very important you understand the marking criteria and you understand that what are the questions which are important and what are not important and how much time you have to spend on each task, because some of the tasks, they are not very important, but they are very, very time consuming. So yes, you have to manage your time efficiently and you have to crack your exam like he did. Let's move on to your listening. Listening 87, 9 bands. One of the module, a lot of people out there struggle. What do you think is the key success factor behind listening section?
So in listening, I think first of all you have to reach till the end in the exam, because the last section right from dictation is very important.
That's right.
So personally, I saved like at least 7 minutes for that.
Okay.
So yeah, so I knew that if I reach to the end and if I do right from dictation perfectly, then I'll get a good score, right? So I just skimmed through the questions that I had. Don't spend a lot of time on them. They are important, but like don't spend a lot of time so that you don't get any time in the end.
That's right.
So just manage your time well, and then it'll be fine.
And what about speaking? What do you think? How important is speaking section for your listening section?
Yeah, so for speaking section, first of all, I think you have to be fluent. You don't have to take any pauses or anything. You can like stop for a while if you like not more than 3 seconds, but you can stop for a while and don't use words like and the.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, so if you do that, then they'll probably cut your marks. But the thing is, it's the system checking your answers, right? So if you like stop in between, like if you use pauses, then you'll get marked down.
Yeah, that's
but otherwise, if you speak what you're speaking, then it's fine. Because sometimes you don't know what sort of image you get or what sort of graph you get. You don't understand it. But then if you speak well and fluent enough, and then it's fine, because it's test of English, not test of reasoning and stuff.
That's right. So guys, they are just checking your speaking skills. In speaking as well, you just need to be fluent, clear, and then repeat a lot of keywords, whatever you can see, especially in images and retail lecture. And Kanwa, any final piece of advice for people who are preparing for the exam or who are missing out by 1 or 2 points in each and every attempt? What do you think? What different approach should they use in order to crack the exam and get a perfect score like you?
So first of all, initially I used to think like if you do something wrong initially, you can't get a 90, and then you lose your confidence throughout the exam, right? So that used to happen with me. The thing is, the exams allows you to go wrong. You can go wrong, and even if you make minor mistakes, you will get a full score, because in English you can't be 100% right anyways.
That's right.
So if you lose some marks initially somewhere, or if you don't really do well in a section, just forget about it and move on in the exam.
That's right, guys. So it's very important to be calm, be confident, and give your 100%. If you make one or the other mistake, don't worry about it. Just give your best shot. Give 110% in each and every task. Each task is important. Understand the marking strategy, marking criteria. All the tasks are important. Give them proper time, practice properly, and you will be able to crack your exam like he did. That's it, guys, from this video. I'll see you very soon in another video. Thanks, guys.